Šandor in Adam Javorkaj, nadarjena brata, ki prihajata iz Madžarske, sta redna obiskovalca in izvajalca na festivalu Bled. Zanimalo nas je, kaj je tisto, kar ju vedno znova pritegne, da sta del festivala. Why do you like to come back?
This is a very good question. Why? Because I'm here in this festival maybe 22 years, maybe, as I was a child. This is some special, not like the other festival where we play everywhere, all around the world, and many festivals. But here is that's the Brence and the family of him, and we are like a family, you know. And this is like we come, I go home, something like this, this feeling I have. That's why I like here. And so many nice memories and so many nice things.
Adam se je po 7 letih v letošnji ediciji festivala znova vrnil na oder, kjer sta v cerkvi svetega Martina virtuozno zaigrala skupaj z bratom. Oba javno nastopata kot solista z znanimi orkestri na koncertnih turnejah, kjer skrbita za osupljivo interpretacijo najbolj zahtevnih del klasične glasbe.
Every piece I like very much. We will play Haydn, it's Vienna classic style. Then we will play Wieniawski, 2 Caprice, and I will play Kodály, of course, from my country. Then we play Paganini and many different kind of music.
The program will be like everything, many composers from Haydn till Bartók, Paganini. I don't know, we will see, and the anchors also. We will see what we will play. I know some program is, but we always change it with my brother. But I hope so everybody will be happy. But this is important, that the people will go at home and they will say, it was so nice, we are so happy with this concert.
Adama so prevzeli spomini na njegove začetke v festivalu Bled, ki so povezani z družino, tako njegovo kot tudi družino programskega vodja.
I played in Bled, Festival Bled in 97, I think. It's a very long time ago. I was also a student, and the first steps in Bled now in this year was very emotional, because everywhere I saw it was some very beautiful remembering or meeting, or I don't know, you know, because this time if you are 17, 16, you enjoy the world, you know everything, you meet people, you make friendships. Also with Nate Smith-Brence, the festival director is also, this is such a nice family, and to come back and meet also his son, the Benny. He was like a baby, like now my baby is 1 year old, and the Brence's son was also like this, and the times flies away so fast.
Glasbenik ima 2 otroka, eden je star 1 leto, drugi 3 leta in pol. Starejši že ima svojo violino in igra z družino.
Maybe he will also play, this is a surprise, in the encore piece. He's 3 years old, and if he will not sleep, then I don't know, maybe he will also play. Ruben is 3 years old, and my small son Aaron is 1 year old. And yes, it's very nice in Bled.
Z virtuoznostjo in igranjem sta brata znova navdušila in razvnela občinstvo.
We've never heard anything like it. We would have come to Bled just to hear the concert tonight. It was really wonderful, and having the students come up made it very special, I think. It was fantastic. We would say to everybody, please come to the festival and hear the brothers.
I just heard them playing every day with the students and everything, but I thought this concert was very nice. I expected already that Hungarians have this kind of music in their blood, and you could hear it tonight, that it was really a nice concert. At least I enjoyed it very much.
Jaz sem navdušena nad tem koncertom. To je res virtuoznost na višku, in to se čuti, da je to v družini, da je to povezano z energijo, z dušama. To glasba živi in deluje čez oba človeka, in kot duo sta fantastična res. Moj poklon temu koncertu. Sem presrečna, da ima tudi otroka na tej šoli in da sta tako v dobri družbi. No. res čudovit večer. Še takih si želimo.
Kadar se da, pridem.
Tudi tole,
Od prvega dne festivala spremljam. Včasih smo imeli,
vsa leta.
smo bili abonenti, zdaj ni več abonmaja in hodimo, pridemo z veseljem, ker smo tle doma in spremljamo odlične glasbenike, ki pridejo k nam, da nam ni treba nikamor ven hoditi.
Ja, to, kar tlele slišimo, se drugače morate ven poslušati. To je ena redkih stvari, ki je res dobro.